Hi, I'm Vicky. Welcome to our next Durham drive-through tutorial video, a handy guide to assist you in picturing in your mind some of the busier junctions that may, from time to time, be covered on your practical driving test in the Durham city area. Remember, these videos are for illustration only, and you should continue to discuss and practice with your driving instructor. This tutorial deals with crossing the roundabout at the bottom of Neville's Crossbank, then immediately turning right, up Low's Barn Bank. A busy right-hand turn leading up a steep bank. We're going to cross the roundabout, second exit, then immediately turn right as we leave the junction. At the end of the bus lane, the left lane turns left only. The right lane crosses the roundabout. If it's safe to proceed, move on to the roundabout. As soon as you pass the first exit, indicate right, moving into the right protected lane. Wait for a sufficient gap, then make progress up Low's Barn Bank. It's not uncommon for there to be many parked cars on this road, cyclists, and it's an ideal road to practice meeting situations, but can be a bit tricky, especially if you're nervous during a test. Remember to stay calm and plan the safest way to make progress. The cyclist is putting a lot of effort into climbing this bank. Pass him if it's safe to proceed. Remember, you must leave a gap of 1.5 meters when passing. Hold back if there isn't a gap big enough to proceed. Remember, if your brain says you can squeeze through, then you probably can't. At the crossroads, when the lights turn to green, turn right and make progress down the A167. There isn't a right filter traffic light at this junction, but the facing traffic is held back by the traffic light sequence, so it's safe to proceed. Remember, this isn't always the case at this type of junction. Make progress down the road. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. We do hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and look out for our regular updated content.